Project details. Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO), Decentralized Governance Platform. The Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO), decentralized governance platform empowers communities and organizations to govern themselves autonomously through decentralized decision-making processes. Built on blockchain technology, this platform facilitates transparent, inclusive, and resilient governance mechanisms, enabling stakeholders to participate in collective decision-making and resource allocation. Platform initialization. The platform is initialized by deploying smart contracts on the blockchain, defining governance protocols, voting mechanisms, membership rules, and resource allocation frameworks. DAO creation. Organizations or communities establish DAOs on the platform, defining governance structures, membership criteria, decision-making processes, and resource management rules. Membership enrollment. Individuals join DAOs by acquiring membership tokens or contributing resources to the organization, gaining voting rights and participation in governance processes. Proposal submission. DAO members or designated proposers submit proposals for discussion and decision-making within the community, covering a wide range of topics such as governance changes, funding allocations, or strategic initiatives. Proposal discussion. Proposals undergo open discussions and deliberations within the DAO community, allowing members to express their opinions, provide feedback, and collaborate on refining proposal details. Voting process. DAO members participate in voting processes to approve or reject proposals, with voting outcomes determined based on predefined decision thresholds and voting mechanisms such as majority consensus or token-weighted voting. Resource allocation. Approved proposals result in resource allocations, including funding, project resources, or decision mandates, executed through smart contracts deployed on the blockchain. Execution and implementation. Resource allocations are executed autonomously through smart contracts, facilitating fund transfers, project deployments, or governance changes according to the approved proposals. Monitoring and accountability. The platform enables transparent and auditable governance processes, with voting outcomes, resource allocations, and decision details recorded on the blockchain for accountability and transparency. Community engagement. DAO members engage in community activities, discussions, and events facilitated by the platform, fostering collaboration, knowledge sharing, and networking among stakeholders. Governance iteration. DAO governance mechanisms evolve over time based on community feedback, performance evaluations, and emerging governance needs, enabling continuous improvement and adaptation to changing circumstances. DAO members, individuals or entities that hold membership tokens in the DAO, possessing voting rights and participation in governance processes. Members contribute to proposal submission, discussion, voting, and resource allocation decisions within the organization. DAO creators, initiators or founders who establish and deploy DAOs on the platform, defining governance parameters, membership criteria, decision-making rules, and resource allocation frameworks. Creators oversee the initial setup and operation of the DAO. Proposal submitters. Members of the DAO who propose issues or initiatives for consideration by the community, advocating for specific actions or changes within the organization. Submitters may include individuals or groups with diverse interests. Smart contracts. Self-executing contracts deployed on the blockchain, governing DAO operations, voting processes, resource allocations, and governance mechanisms. Smart contracts facilitate transparent, auditable, and autonomous execution of governance activities. Blockchain network. The underlying blockchain infrastructure supporting the platform's operations, providing transparency, immutability, and security for governance events, voting outcomes, resource allocations, and decision details. plus 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 DAO members, DAO creators, proposal plus 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 plus. This diagram illustrates the interaction between different entities involved in the Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO) decentralized governance platform. DAO members participate in governance processes. DAO creators establish and deploy DAOs. Proposal submitters advocate for specific initiatives, and smart contracts govern governance activities autonomously on the blockchain network.